Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version. This matters because menus differ across builds. Once done, connect to the network you'll change and note the current DNS so you can restore it if needed. Now open Settings and navigate to Wi-Fi or Connections. Press the active network name to see options. You're taking the first actionable step. Access the network details where DNS is configured so you can change or disable it. Next, you'll remove any custom DNS entries. If the network uses static IP, tap Advanced or IP Settings and change it to DHCP. This forces default carrier or router DNS. It's simpler and often restores expected behavior. If you see DNS1 and DNS2, clear those fields and save. Also check Settings, right arrow More Connections, right arrow Private DNS. Make sure Private DNS is set to off. These steps, and to finish, you must apply changes. Reboot your Redmi and reconnect to Wi-Fi so DHCP or router DNS takes effect. If you still see DNS behavior you don't want, reset network settings and system options. This clears VPNs, Bluetooth, and saved Wi-Fi, then reconnect. If the router forces DNS, reboot or change its settings. One troubleshooting tip. If internet stops working after clearing DNS, restore the noted DNS values or use Reset Network Settings. That quickly returns you to a known working state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.